First entry topic Droughts, place of concern United States, Southwest region. One major impact of climate change are droughts. Can be described as different descriptions of water shortage, meteorological drought, agricultural drought, and hydrological drought. Since 2011, the United States has experienced all of these different types of droughts. Especially in the Southwest region, places like Texas and Oklahoma have been drastically affected. The overall Southwest region of the U.S. is vulnerable to droughts due to La Niña state of the ocean and human interference of climate change. The absence of moisture in this region has largely been incremented by the human interference in the climate system. Some forecasts in terms of environmental change have demonstrated that there are uncertainties in regional drought projections and very few studies address the near-term future. However, because soil moisture is a function of both precipitation and transpiration, climate, according to Climate Sense special report, anthropogenic climate change results in drier soils and often less runoff in the long term. Furthermore, some major forecasted impacts on this area are addressing that future temperatures will likely increase in great frequencies and magnitudes of agricultural droughts, increasing in evapotranspiration. Especially the southwest region of the U.S. may experience chronic future precipitation deficits and are consistent in magnitude with an earlier study of the Colorado River Basin using more sophisticated macroscale hydrological models, according to Climate Sense special report. Moreover, there has not been a formal identification of what human influences affect the United States drought. However, droughts are strong evidence that significant global warming is occurring, and the best way to battle these issues is by finding ways to respond to this change through some combination of taking steps to minimize the change and finding ways to adapt to the change.